This is the installation instructions for SCI's Magnetic Horn Button Adapter. The Horn Button Adapter package should include the following: Magnetic Horn Button, Magnetic Horn Button Adapter, Magnetic Horn Button Medallion, ground wire with grounding ring, Magnetic Horn Button Medallion removal tool. The tools needed: vinyl door trim removal tool, which is optional, and a 2mm hex wrench. First, remove existing horn button. If the horn button is difficult to remove, use vinyl door trim removal tool to pry the button from the bezel. Disconnect power wire from the back of the horn button. Locate the supplied ground wire with grounding ring and packaging. Place the grounding ring over any of the 3 nuts of post and tighten set screw with the 2mm hex wrench. Feed the power wire and ground wire through the magnetic horn button adapter. Line the adapter up with the bezel so that it is straight up and down, and press the adapter into bezel. Attach power wire and ground wire to the contacts on the back of the magnetic horn button. Tilt the horn button to press the brass loop against the inside of the adapter. Attach magnetic horn button medallion and store removal tool. To remove, insert the tip of the magnetic horn button medallion removal tool under the medallion and lift the medallion off of the horn button. You can replace it with other magnetic horn button medallions of your choice. For more information on magnetic horn button medallion designs, or to create custom magnetic horn button medallions, see your local distributor or visit us online at www.steeringcreations.com.